So the seventh app on our list is Wall Art. Wall Art is very simple app. You can browse through stunning collection of wallpapers that can change the way of your Android screen looks. Simple, quickly, and colorful design, custom made and hand-picked wallpapers. The app include the 700 plus wallpapers and they are updated day to day. So if you swipe from the left, you will see the categories. There are so many categories. All wallpapers include 750 wallpaper plus. You open any wallpaper, you can see there are so many options. You can apply the wallpaper or save it, crop and edit also. If you go on settings, so there are settings that you can change the theme of the app. So the sixth app on our list is Volletra. Beautiful vectors wallpapers designed entirely by Robota based on images provided by the site unsplash.com and with my original creations. This app is very minimalistic and you can download QHD and 4K resolution wallpapers and you can download very fastly. So if you type on save, as you can see the wallpaper downloads very fast and this wallpaper is very nice in my opinion. So if you scroll down, there are so many Android O wallpapers. If you swipe left, you can favorite the wallpapers. And if you swipe from left, you can see the settings. You can change the theme to black or white. And if you again swipe from the left, you can support the developer also. So the fifth app on our list is Walls for Edit. This app is not available for the Play Store, but I will give a link in the description so you can download it from there. So as you can see, there are so many categories: art, earthbound, wallpapers. You can scroll them and check the wallpapers. The wallpapers are HD and Quad HD also. So there are some nice wallpapers as you can see. So music wallpapers related to music. So if you go on the settings, you can see there are so many options. You can play with them, like show HD images only, or you can change the quality of the wallpapers, and you can change the theme to dark and white. So the fourth app on our list is Frame. This app is very cool and I love this app. You can see the animations of this app, and if you tap the wallpaper, the wallpaper will download automatically. And if you swipe right, and you can see the latest wallpapers that have been added to this app. So you can see there are so many nice wallpapers. As you can see, this wallpaper looks very great. And if you swipe from right, and you can see the popular tab, you can see the app is very cool looking. So as you can see, this wallpaper also looks very good. You can download the wallpaper and save it to your device. So if you swipe right, there are some app details here. So the third app on our list is Wallpaper Craft. Attached, you will display only matching your screen size wallpapers. All the images are of high quality and different resolutions. Support any devices, including devices with a larger screen of Full HD and 4K. So this app is very nice. So you can see there are so many wallpapers. This wallpaper looks very nice and it is very high quality wallpaper. So you can download or set the wallpaper as your home screen. So you can favorite the wallpaper also. If you click on download, you can see their portrait or landscape or original. Original means the full photo. The portrait means for your device, that is portrait. So there is popular tab also. These wallpapers are popular. If you swipe from the left, you can see the categories of cars, music, and textures. The popular textures, rating textures. So the second app on our list is Voller. This is the best app I would suggest, but one thing I don't like of this app is you can't download the wallpaper. You have to buy the premium version. So you just can set the wallpaper as your home screen. The animations are very smooth of this app. So you can see I have applied that wallpaper, but you can't download this wallpaper. If you click on download, you have to buy the premium version of this app. So you can only quick set the wallpaper. The wallpapers are very premium, and if you click here, you can see the collections. The recent collections, the popular collections, and you can see the animations. These animations are very smooth, and if you click, you can go down, click here, and you can see the categories also. There are so many categories: the building, food, nature. The app is very nice. So here comes the first one, is Volzy Pro. So this app is very nice and I love this app. This app has best wallpapers chosen for you by designers and the photographers. So this app supports Musai. You have the custom wallpapers to meet your needs, all high quality wallpapers, and wallpapers are divided in over 600 collections and many wallpapers and many categories to meet your needs. You can blur the images and add the text with the shadow. So there are so many categories. There are 600 collections. So the scrolling list is very long. So thanks for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe and smash that like button because I keep making videos like this.